it drains it of nutrients. I mean, I sort of call it a cancerous.
Today is August 11th.
Odd growth that's obviously much larger than the rest. I mean, it's, yeah, but to my knowledge, it doesn't have any purpose for the plant, per se. If you see a blueberry on any of these blueberry bushes, let me know.
Doing a water crossing over there. Folks are stopping to look at plants right by the water. So, got their sticks and poles ready to do the crossing there. I already did the crossing, so I'm okay. Well, maybe they're just going to kibitz there for a while, so we're going to turn this off. And there's some campers right down here, and our camp is over there, as you can see. Fog looks like it's lifting, so I think the helicopter is going to make it in okay. We just hiked up here, and we're continuing to hike down on the other way, and there's an intrepid traveler right below us here that's super happy there, which we like to see.
Do you need a hand model?
Yes, there you go.
Just gonna make that as interesting as possible there.
Yes, we have blueberries mixed in with the, what is it, plowberries?
Crowberries.
Crowberries here, so
and a little
they're
bit
quite,
of soot.
quite tasty. I still have a piece of skin in my mouth here. There you go.
Yep, just trying to get on the camera as much as possible.
Just happy to.
It's delicious.
We're hiking up to this other little lake, and we still have some low-lying fog here. It's coming in on the hilltops over there. But I think it's going to be lifting. It's getting a little warmer. No more rain showers. So I think it's pretty good. There's some different type of grass or something that's taking over. I'm not quite sure what it is here, but it's very pretty. It goes along here.
Throwing themselves around all the time is very unbecoming.
Oh, this is amazing.
Little tuft grass or whatever here. Over here. There you go. Let's come back, keep it in focus there maybe. August 11th, 2019. I'm here at Base Camp Greenland with Natural Habitat. Today's our last day. We're going to be helicoptered out of here to our next location. It'll just be a short helicopter ride. It took us 5 hours on the boat coming up from that town, but going back 15 minutes by helicopter, so they say. And we hiked up here from base camp, which is way back over there, and I'm going to do a 360 for you here so you can see what's behind me. Other hikers from my group are in back of me here, which you might see, and they're back over there standing down here. The fog is lifting, which is a good thing. I have extra batteries for the GoPro so I don't miss the helicopter ride, and temperature is pretty good. Sun's coming out. I don't need all these clothes. I left my backpack back at the camp, but the bugs are out here, so I get all these little bugs in front of my face here, so they bother me. I put a little bug spray on, but it doesn't seem to help. The only thing that helps is the wind. Okay, this is Ed Getley signing off for the time being. See you later. Bye-bye. Now, as we come up over this rise here, we come up over here, you see our camp off in the distance there. There's a camp way down there, right down there. There's a little iceberg or growler right past it there. So that's where we're headed. We're headed that way, going back there. Okay, that's where we're going to get the helicopter. We're going to have lunch first. Okay. All these little boulders you see here were probably left here from a glacier at one time, I would guess. But you see a bunch of them that are just up here on shore. They had to get here somewhere. They didn't roll down from the mountains, I don't think. It's possible, but I think it's mostly from glacier, and glacier melted maybe. The rocks are here. But there's camp. It's right over there. Okay.
Photo bombing. Oh.
I believe this is the helicopter landing pad right there. As you can see, our luggage off over there. That's stacked up right in front of Ann. See our luggage over there. So this is where the helicopter is going to be. We got a little flag up there for wind too. Okay.